Hey everyone, we're going to look at the American court system. The United States has a dual court system, which means we have a national court system and a separate system in each of our 50 states. At the lower end of our national court system is what we would call the district court level. And we have 94 U.S. federal district courts. These typically are our trial courts in the United States. Losing parties in federal trial courts or at our district court level have an automatic right to take their case to the U.S. Court of Appeals, and we have 13 of those U.S. Courts of Appeals in the United States. Then, of course, we know that we have the United States Supreme Court at the top of the federal court system. The most important thing to note is that we have something called judicial review, which was established with the case of Marbury versus Madison. And finally, we have pretty much the way we make decisions in the United States are based on liberal or conservative opinions. Those who typically follow a liberal-minded opinion who are on the court fall in line with something called judicial activism. Somebody who believes in judicial restraint tends to be a judge or justice. A justice is what we would call the person in the Supreme Court, a judge for the lower levels. A conservative would fall in line with something called judicial restraint.